Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format the background with any solid dark color. Now drag the vertical guide and place it at 4 units towards the left. Next create one more vertical guide and place it at 4 units towards the right. So these intersecting guides will be our reference points to place our design elements. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a vertical line shape. Change its outline color to white just for the sake of visibility and then rotate it by 45 degrees. Drag and place it at the first intersecting point of our guides. Now duplicate this line shape using Ctrl+D, flip it vertically and place it as a mirror image as shown. So these two lines and two guides will act as a reference to place our 4 pie sections. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a partial circle shape through first reference point holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline, change its fill color to white and increase its transparency to see-through. Now making use of orange color edit points, adjust this circle shape to form our first pie section. Make sure it perfectly fits between two reference lines. Next duplicate this pie shape using Ctrl+D, rotate it by 45 degrees holding down Shift key and then place it at the second pie section. Let's continue to duplicate this shape 2 more times using Ctrl+D and place them at the other 2 sections by rotating each of them by 45 degrees. Finally, select both reference lines and delete them. Next, select all 4 pie sections holding down Ctrl key. Bring back their transparency levels and format it with 2-step linear gradient. Adjust the gradient stops if required and then change the stop colors of each pie sections using eyedropper tool. Let's speed up to save time. Next we will create the paper cut effect using oval shape. Make it no outline and format it with 2-step path gradient. Change left side stop color to dark grey, match right side stop color with background and increase its transparency to 100%. Now copy and paste this shape as image so that when we cut this shape into half, its gradient pattern will remain intact. Let's delete the original oval shape. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a rectangle shape covering half portion of this oval picture shape. Select both the shapes and subtract them. You can observe the gradient pattern is not disturbed. Next adjust the shape and size if required and then place it over pie designs to get the paper cut effect. That looks perfect. Next go to Insert tab and then draw a circle shape through first reference point holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Change its fill color to white and increase its transparency. Also change its outline color to white. Next go to Insert tab and then draw another circle shape through first reference point, holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Remove its outline and format it with two-step linear gradient. Change both top colors to white and light grey color. Next apply outer shadow effect and adjust the transparency and blur values until we get desired shadow effect. Now select both the circle shapes and group them together. Next duplicate this group using Ctrl+D, reduce its size holding down Ctrl and Shift keys and place it over first pie section. Now drag this shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys to create the duplicates and place them on other pie sections. Now select all these shapes and group them together. Create its duplicate using Ctrl+D. Flip it horizontally and place this entire group on second reference point. Finally, select both the groups and ungroup them. Let's quickly change the top colors of each pie section using eyedropper tool. Let's speed up to save time. Finally, add all PNG icons and text fields onto our design and make sure to change their colors as per the design requirement. Let's speed up to save time. So here is the final preview of this beautiful infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.